Hi folks, Girl Gone Vagabond here. I thought I'd go for a walk in the snow and just think about how much fun it would be to go camping in this weather. Of course, the turtle shell's off. The camper's all in winter storage right now. So I'm thinking I might do a backseat camp. What do you think? Should I give that a try? Hard to believe I'm in the city, hey? I'm only steps away from where my camper is parked for the winter. Hard to believe that there are houses all around me here. There's probably a herd of deer bedded down somewhere. I saw some tracks that looked canine but didn't have people tracks with them. So that could be a coyote. But anyway, there you go. A little winter snowstorm. I keep forgetting to do this part. If you like my videos, please subscribe and like and comment down below, because that will only help me get a little more attention from YouTube and other potential subscribers. And also, please remember that Jump Ship Hope, my debut novel, is now for sale in bookstores and online and as an ebook. And if there's enough demand, I may even have it made into an audiobook, so that'd be pretty cool. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon. Maybe we'll do some winter camping. That sounds worthy of a video, don't you think?